Herbivores versus carnivores diet. Herbivores primarily consume plants, including leaves, fruits, and seeds. They are equipped to process fibrous plant matter efficiently, while carnivores feed on other animals. They have adaptations that allow them to hunt, kill, and digest animal flesh. Teeth and digestion. Herbivore have flat, broad teeth adapted for grinding leaves, grass, and other tough plant material. They typically have a longer digestive tract suitable for fermenting vegetable matter, which is harder to break down. Whereas carnivore possess sharp, pointed teeth for tearing flesh. Their digestive tract is shorter, reflecting the easier digestion of protein-rich meat. Energy conversion herbivores are less efficient in converting food into energy because plants are harder to digest, resulting in a slower metabolism. This is why many herbivores spend a significant amount of time eating. While carnivores are more efficient at converting food to energy, as meat provides a rich source of calories and nutrients, leading to a faster metabolism. Behavior and social structure herbivores often live in herds for protection and are generally more sedentary or migrate slowly over large areas to find adequate plant food. While carnivores tend to be more solitary, though there are exceptions like wolves that hunt in packs. Their behaviors are driven by the need to hunt and can cover large territories for prey. Role in ecosystem herbivore. Serve as primary consumers, transforming solar energy, via plants, into forms accessible to other animals in the food chain. They often contribute to the health of plant populations and the structure of their habitats, whereas carnivore act as secondary or tertiary consumers, controlling the population of primary consumers, which helps maintain ecological balance. Physical adaptations. Herbivore may have adaptations like larger stomachs or specialized fermentation chambers to digest cellulose in plants. Examples include the rumen in cows or the large cecum in horses. While carnivore have developed acute senses and physical speed or power to catch prey. Examples include the enhanced vision in eagles or powerful muscles in big cats. Reproductive strategies herbivore tend to have more offspring at a time, which can be attributed to the higher predation risks they face. They may also have shorter gestation periods compared to carnivores. Carnivore often have fewer offspring with longer gestation periods, investing more time and energy into each offspring's upbringing and training for hunting. Survival strategies. Herbivore use camouflage and herding to protect themselves from predators. They are often very alert and have strong social structures to warn each other of danger. While carnivore utilize stealth, speed, and power in their hunting techniques. Many have developed complex hunting tactics and strategies, such as pack hunting or ambush. Adaptations to habitat. Many herbivores are adapted to a specific type of plant or environment, which can limit their range. For example, koalas depend almost entirely on eucalyptus trees for food and habitat. Carnivores are often more adaptable to different environments as their need is linked to prey availability rather than specific types of vegetation. Ecological impact herbivore may help in seed dispersion through their feces and often control the growth and spread of vegetation, which can shape the landscape. Their grazing and trampling can affect plant community structures. Carnivore regulate prey populations, which can prevent overgrazing and maintain plant diversity. Their role as predators can help in controlling disease by removing sick individuals from prey populations.